the farm, and we need strawberries for, whoa, what am I needing strawberries? See how you could be easily swayed? I've seen this picture of the strawberries, now I need strawberries. No, I don't need strawberries. See what this says, guys. Only pick them when they're ready. All right, well, we need tomatoes. That's why we're here. We're not here for strawberries. So they got the peppers. See the guys down there taking care of it. And when that's ready, we'll be able to go down there and pick those too. Because this farm, you're allowed to pick stuff all the way until I think about May. I think that's when the season for all these stuff ends. So we're gonna walk down here and get some get back to the strawberries, some tomatoes, guys, tomatoes. We need tomatoes. So here we go. And I'm gonna take my time and go down these tomato fields. On the other side there, those are peppers. I think I'm good with the peppers at the house right now. I have a dish that we're doing and we need tomatoes. So let's go and pick our tomatoes, guys. These are green. Now, we've been having terrible weather in Florida, as you can see. This is not normal. Horrible weather out here in February. So, you know, it normally gets chilly for like a week or so this far south, but never so long. So this, as you guys can see, I'll take my time. I'll walk a little slower. All right. This is not perfect and ideal. A lot of green tomatoes. You know, the funny thing, I might just do a green tomato dish then for all of that. You know, I'm hoping that I can find a few good tomatoes. Thing about these tomatoes, the reason why I'm even here, they're so juicy compared to what I could go ahead and get in my regular farmer's market, because I do have a alternative. We got a farmer's market here that's pretty good, and with them now, you know, they got good product, but nothing beats picking your own, you know. And see, that one's not too great. Man, this is not looking good for us, guys. Let's go over here. Let's change aisles. Aisle 6. And see what we can find. Maybe people don't want to be down here. Let's see. So small, man. I don't know. It's not even worth getting that one. And I don't need them to be fully ripe. Because like I said, they're so juicy. So it's not even like it needs to be that ripe. But coming out here on the weekend sometimes is not even the greatest idea either. Uh-oh. So there's a lady down there thinking the same thing I'm thinking. Oh my goodness. This is not a good trip so far. As you can see, not great. Not great at all. Boy. Let me make a U-turn maybe. All right, so if I look down here, I don't really see too many, you know, there's a lot of greens, and you'll see these on the ground here like this, right? But they're always gonna be messed up, see? Let me show you. There's some red ones on the ground right there. Nope, there really isn't. Guys, I want to cry. I want to cry. The smart people have come here during the week and they have picked every red tomato they could find. That, folks, is not a good thing. All right. I don't think we're gonna find any luck on this. Let me go to the other aisle and see. Oh, but the lady's over there, so let me do a sneak switch around, and then we go back, guys. So let me just give you a quick view of all that stuff. I'm gonna have to take some of the half-ripe ones because I see a ton of people coming here now. Holy camole. I don't even need no grape tomatoes. Yeah, we don't have the weather for it, man. I'm telling you, this is just one of those things where we're not having good weather at all. So I'm gonna have to see if I can. Man, I just like to cook with these. They're so juicy. Look, see, if you can see, I'm just indented it. Look at that, it's so juicy. It's not fully ripe, but it's worth it. All right, guys, I can't leave with nothing. Gotta leave with something. What Denzel said, I'm leaving with something. You know, the thing about this, I'm gonna take these, use them right away, so it's just gonna have to work, guys. Let's see what you think. Sometimes that's just dirt. Yep, it's not bad. And then I see on the other side, there's a too small. Come on, guys. Work with me. Look at that. Big, beautiful, just done. Let's see, can I get lucky? Nope. Nope. What about this one, guys? What you think? Let me see. Yep, that's not bad. It just fell off. All right. Not much harvest today. Look at all these people coming. Oh boy. I really just came for tomatoes. But I might have to go and grab some peppers just because. Yeah. This is not a great day today. Oh, I do see one over there, but can I get to it? It's not the best. All right. Let's make one quick turn. And then what we'll do, we're gonna go get some peppers. And that will be it. That's it. This is not the best farm day, but at least you guys see what it's like. Yeah. Little baby ones, man. It's not gonna work out. Oh, let me leave that green one for somebody. No, I knew it was too good to be true. See? Alrighty, I think that's it, man. I don't think I had any good luck today. Let's see. Because these, I'm telling you, I use these in the cooking, everything. We're making brown stew, everything. They're just so juicy, you know. All right, that's it, guys. Let's see what else we can do. Sorry. No, they had some red peppers over here the last time, but again, with the amount of people that now knows about this place, it's a little difficult to get the gems anymore. You just can't do it. The beauty, they actually have a store inside that does have good things, so even if I don't catch anything here, yeah, this is not a good day for us today, guys. Definitely not. They have some greens and shit. Oops. I gotta block out that word. I'm trying to be family friendly. And let's just go down here and see. I don't really need green peppers as much as I do red. You know what I mean? And those are all devoured in there, guys. Let's see. Yeah, I get the one. To look through them. Because I'm sure you guys know that green turns to red, right? They're not like different peppers. Oh, there goes a beautiful red one over there. Can I snatch that up? I'm walking kind of fast, guys. Alright. Let's go. See, I just saw you somewhere. Did you guys see it? Let's see where we can. Where did you? Don't hide from me. No. There you go. Beautiful. Look at that. Alright. That's going to be it for us. These are the tractor rides. We ride around the whole farm. Alright guys, that's it for us. We're heading back. And I'll be back when I show you what's going on in the store. Wasn't the best day at the farm today. Sucks. It's not a great day. So, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Fantastic, actually.
Yeah, beautiful.
Isn't it? Best weather ever. Alright, so as you can see, we could have gotten some tomatoes in here if we really wanted to. And here goes some fresh sweet basil. How you doing? What else I need? The purple baby broccoli. Let's get this. All this stuff right in the backyard. Green onion. Never have enough green onion. Hello. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. It wasn't as productive as we wanted, but like, share, and subscribe. See you guys later.